Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we opened a new file. So we want to I want to show you how to run take a sample of this and make it an image. Okay, so what we will do, we have two ways. You can make it in each but I'll show you the right way. We have wrong way and right way. I will now show you the wrong way. Okay, for example, I'll go to the view and viewport render image. Do you see it rendered what we see here? And we can go to image and save this image. I'll save it, not save as. I'll just go to the desktop. I'm going to test, and you can write the name test image. And yeah, and we have another thing is that you can pick the file format. You need it PNG, JPG, Targa, Cineon, other things, TIFF, but I will choose PNG. And the color RGB, black and white, it means grayscale, yeah. And RGB is for saving red, green and blue channels. Okay, and the color depth is 18 or 16, but let it as default. And the compression, you see compression is 15%. What does that mean? Compression is like it will save your image, but it will make it less if it's, for example, if your image is 10 megabyte, it will make it maybe 7 megabytes, so it will make the storage less. But if you change it this too much, make it 90, it will be 3 megabytes, but the quality will decrease, so it will be bad. So keep it like this, and we'll just save the image. And we saved the image, and we can go close it. And let's go see. Yeah, I found the test, and I will just open it. This is the test, but I see that we have grids, slides. What we can do, we can just go here, close this X, Y, Z, and take down the extras, you see, and we can go to the view and viewport. You see, it's rendered out, and you can save it. But this was the wrong way. I'll show you the right way. Okay, so let's open this, and this is my camera, isn't it? I can just press this. I can click on this and I can go to the camera, but click it again and it will go outside of the camera. But I don't want to come here again. It's better to memorize the shortcuts. What the shortcut is for this? It's 0. Why? Maybe you will forget why it's 0, but I have made a concept, an idea in an illusionary image in my mind. When you take a photo, they will say 3, 2, 1, 0. It will take the picture, isn't it? Yeah, that's like that. So think like that. You want to take a picture of this cube. 3, 2, 1, 0. Press on 0, and you can see it will go to the camera view. You see, but it's not like that. I made it in my mind like this, pressing 0. Okay, maybe they just made it for randomly. They did it 0. They put the shortcut, but I made it easy for you. So we can. What's the right way? We did this, and we will go to the where we can go to rendering. Where was the rendering? Let me see. Render. Yes, we will go render image, or you can press F12. I'll press F12. F12, and ta-da! Yeah, that's it. And you can save it without going to the viewport overlays and turn them off. No, just go with this one, Control S, and test image. I will add one to it, so it will create it automatically. Let's see. You see, ta-da! It's very nice, isn't it? But this is just the basics. I want you to get comfortable. We will talk in detail in each of them, okay? Don't worry, just follow me with the tutorials. I will just explain why we do this and why we did this. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.